So in the last session, just let me review for 2 minutes before going further. Okay, in the last session, just we had a discussion about what is UNIX, what is UNIX we covered. Okay, next what are various features of UNIX? What are various features of UNIX? UNIX we discussed. Next, what are various flavors of UNIX? Flavors of Unix we covered. Next, and after that, flavors of Unix we discussed, right? Next, components of Linux operating system. Sir, how many components are there related to the Linux operating system? Next, after discussing components, next command execution flow. Command execution flow we discussed. Command execution flow we covered. Next, after completing command execution flow, next even we discussed about some basic commands, basic commands with the online editor, online editor, some basic commands execution with the online editor. That's all. These are the things what we covered in a single word. Can you please tell what is Unix? Anyone, can you please tell, sir? In a single word, I don't want to listen multiple things. What is Unix? It is an operating system. That's all. It is an operating system. Okay, that's all. What are various features of Unix? It is, anyone, can you please tell, sir, 3 or 4 points, whatever we covered yesterday, features of Unix. It is freeware. Okay, it is a freeware. We are not required to pay single paisa to use Unix or Linux operating systems. Okay, like next, it is open source software. Okay, it is the freeware, open source software. Next, do you know, sir, this is next, it is a multi-user operating system. It is a multitasking operating system. Multitasking operating system supports both GUI and the CUI. CUI is more powerful. Next, more secure than other operating systems. Okay, more secure. That's all. If any person is asking, can you please talk? Can you please talk about okay, what are various features of Unix operating system? Sir, freeware, open source software. Next, multi-user operating system, multitasking operating system. Next, supports both the GUI and the CUI. Next, more secure. Next, some people are having the bigger doubt. Sir, what is the difference between Unix and Linux? Unix is the operating system which was created in 1960s based on Unix operating system. Unix, like based on Unix operating system, the next level operating system is the Linux. Okay, Linux is the next level operating system, sir, which is developed based on Unix only. Okay, that's all. Nikhil, are you getting right? So next, sir, what are various flavors of Unix are there? Okay, there are multiple flavors are there. At least 5 flavors. Anyone, can you please tell? Ubuntu is one flavor. Okay, Ubuntu is one flavor. Next, Mint is one flavor. Kali is one flavor. Next, do you know Kali? Red Hat Linux. Red Hat Linux is one flavor. Next, SUSE. Okay, SUSE is another flavor. Like multiple flavors are there. Okay, like multiple flavors of Unix is there, sir, for you people. Just CentOS, Fedora, like multiple flavors are there. Next, the components of Linux, sir. Sir, total Linux operating system contain 2 components. Can you please spell out, sir? I forgot. One is shell. One is shell. One is shell. Second one is what is the second one? One is the shell. Second one is kernel. Okay. One is a shell. Second one is a kernel. Shell is the responsible to interpret our commands, to check our command is valid or not. Next, to check our command is the valid or not, is properly used or not. Everything is going to take care by shell. Sir, kernel is the responsible to execute our command. Next, the command execution flow means the same. Shell reads the command and it validate whether is it valid command or not. Is it properly used or not? If it is valid, it is properly used. then interpret into kernel understandable form and hand over to the kernel. Okay, now the kernel is the responsible to execute that command. Okay, that's all. This is the command execution flow. Next, the basic commands with the online editor. Some commands I explained, but all these commands we are going to discuss again. Don't worry at all. Okay, like so that's why this part not required to repeat, because in detail we are going to discuss soon. Okay, that's it. This is the things what we covered in the last two videos, right? Okay, like sir, now the next thing what I have to discuss, the next thing what I have to discuss is just observe a bit very carefully, sir. Sir, here just a bit simple terminology, sir. This is the topic 2 we have to discuss. Linux file system. Okay, observe that Linux file system. Okay, like sir, how the file system is there. File system is defined in the Linux operating system. Okay, Linux file system compulsory. You people should have clarity, right? Okay, so before talking about Linux file system, of course, yeah, the part of that. First, we have to discuss types of files, in Linux. Remember this one, types of files in Linux. Sir, one very important point, very important point, sir. Do you know any person coming from Python background? Anyone is there in the class? Sir, I'm coming from Python background, or I know Python. Anyone there from this? Sir, have you remembered? There is one standard statement is there in Python. Everything is treated as treated as a file. Correct, right? Sorry, everything is treated as object. Correct, right? Everything is treated as an object. Okay, like so in Python, everything is treated as an object. In Linux, or Unix, everything is treated as a file. Remember this one, sir. Everything is treated as a file. Everything, even your device also treated as a file. Even your directory is also treated as a file. Remember this one, sir. This is statement. In Linux, sir, everything is treated as a file. Remember, right? So even directories, even devices also simply treated as files only. Okay, like please make sure you people should have clarity, right? Next, all files in the Linux operating system are divided into three types. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. All files in the Linux operating system are divided into three types. The first one, normal files. Okay, normal files. Normal files are ordinary files. Normal files are ordinary files. Okay, the first one, normal files are ordinary files. The second ones are directory files. Okay, just observe a bit very carefully. I will discuss in detail directory files. Second category. Third category is device files. What is the third one? Device files. Okay, remember a bit carefully about this terminology. Okay, here just observe the terminology clearly, right? So total, how many types of files are there in the Linux? Anyone, can you please spell out, sir? How many files are there? Oh, please respond. Don't be silent. Three types. What the first category? Normal files are ordinary file. Second ones are directory file. Even third ones are device files. So in Linux, everything is treated as a file. This is the very important point, sir. Okay. In Linux, everything is treated as a file. All files are divided into three categories, right? Sir, what is a normal file or ordinary file? Okay, just like our normal abc.txt array text file is there, or otherwise test.java, Java, like even binary files also considered as the normal or ordinary files only. Remember, right? Okay, so normal files, these files contain data. These files contain data. These files contains data. It can be normal text file, normal text file, or binary files. Normal text file or binary files. Binary files means what? Images, video file, audio files, video files, audio files, etc. Okay, like so it can be either normal files, it can be either normal files like abc.txt, or otherwise video files, or otherwise audio files like so normal text files are binary files. So this is the first category what we have. Suppose best example abc.txt. Next and after that test.sh, sir, script file, test.sh, test.py, Python file. Okay, next sunny.jpg. Okay, like image file. Next here bahubali.mp4. Okay, like so these are type of things are by default considered. Yeah, normal files are ordinary files. So any doubt about this one? Is confirm? Are you in the position to understand right what the first category? Yeah. Don't worry at all. There is one small point I have to highlight for you people, right? Yes, video files also binary files only. Ravi Shankar, video files, everything. Video files, audio files, all these things are binary files. Binary. The data won't be available in the normal text. Have you observed right? Ravi Shankar. Video files also by default consider the binary files only. Okay. Next, here one small thing. Okay. Here Vasudeva Reddy is asking a small doubt, sir. But anyway, it is not correct time to talk about that. But just for your information, have a look once. Sir, if I use just like ABC, is it a normal file or not? Okay, like this is the first doubt. There is another Rupesh is asking one doubt. Here just Rupesh doubt is a .py file is which file? Okay, sir, .py. Okay, if I can take test.java, which file it is? Generally which file it is? Java file. Regarding Java file, .py means Python file. Okay, Python file. Okay, Python programming language file. Sir, this is a test.sh script file. Remember this one, script file. Okay, script is a shell script file. Sir, is next it is not binary file. All these things are normal files, but these two things are by default considered as binary files. Images, video files, audio files, these kind of things which doesn't contain character data, these things are by default considered as binary files. Rupesh, but these things are normal text files because these files contain is just a normal character data. Okay, like sir, here one small thing I have to discuss a bit very important, very important point is sir, here just observe that if I use just like ABC, just like ABC, is it a normal file or not? Is it normal file or not? Yes, sir, take very special care, sir. One thumb rule in Linux, everything is treated as a file. Everything is treated as a file. Yes, this is one thumb rule. Like sir, another thumb rule is there. Okay, just for your information sake, just I'm taking, sir. In linux in linux the file extension is not important. Remember this one, the file extension is not important. Okay, based on our content, the linux can identify file type. Remember this one, sir. Extension abc.txt, test.sh, these type of things are applicable for Windows operating system but not for Linux. In Linux, file extension is not important. Based on our content, Linux can identify file type. Is it clear? Respond. Are you getting the point right? Okay, sir, here please make sure this point is the very important, sir. Even in the next time also you should not ask this type of doubt, sir. If I'm not using extension, what is the type? Sir, the type will be decided based on the content, not based on the extension. Okay, like So just yes, here just observe that Sainath, what if files contain txt and binary? No problem at all. It is treated as by default binary only. Binary means images man. Okay, based on the content only, it is going to decide. Okay, here one small, just a matter of 1 minute. I want to tell for you people, right? Here just observe carefully. Here my point is 1 minute. Let me start. Okay, here suppose I had one file is there, sir. Assume that my file is sunny.jpg is there. Okay, can you please tell what is this file? Now can you please tell what is the type of this file? Respond. What is the type of this file? Can you please tell? Yo, can you please tell what is the type of this file? Sir, it is the binary file because it is the image file. It is the binary file. So this is the convention we are using in other operating systems. But in Linux, what will happen is, sir, it never going to worry about extensions. Immediately it will check. Is it internally binary data is there, character data is there? If it is the binary data, character data, simple it is going to tell it is ASCII text file. It never going to worry about .jpg. Remember this one. It's always internally which content is there, Based on that, it is going to consider. Okay, it never going to worry about extension. Okay, please make sure, sir. Just wait for a minute. I will show that, sir. Okay, just I will show so that you people will get much clarity about this terminology, right? Sir, up to this, any doubt about this one? So the first category of the files, normal files are ordinary files. Okay, like sir, but anyway, this is a bit extra topic for you people, right? Extra point you should aware. So it files which contain data. It can be normal text file, it can be normal character data or binary data. Sir, anyway, it is considered as a normal files or ordinary files. Okay, like now the second one. The second one here, just observe that. Uh, yeah. Now the second one, how these stored in database. Ashish Reddy. Here database, such a type of terminology won't be there. If you are talking about database, means that a database specific formats will come in the picture. Ashish Reddy. Okay. Sir, it is just like our C drive, D drive, like in our Windows is there. It is just a hard disk, something like. Okay, it never talks about a database. If you want to store these files into the database, then automatically club, blob, such type of database specific formats will come in the picture. Okay, like sir. Now the second one, sir. The second one. Okay, directory files. Okay, just directory files. I will show this point, sir. Once my Ubuntu started, I will show this point. Don't worry. Directory files, sir. Have you remember, right? Just I told, sir. Even okay. Even it is treated as, even directory is also treated as files only in Linux. That's why these files can be used to represent. These files represent directories. These files represent directories. Okay, like so in Windows. Okay, in the last session somewhere we covered, sir. In Windows, we will use folder terminology. Okay, in Windows we can use folder terminology. Folder terminology. But in Linux, we can use sir, directory terminology. Okay, remember this a bit very very carefully about this one, sir. So in the normal window, we can use can you please create this folder, that folder, like but in the Linux, we can use the terminology as Linux terminology, right? Okay, like sir. Next, here, do you know directory can contain, inside directory which things will be there? Can you please spell out? Yes, friends. In the directory, which things will be there? Usually in our folders, which things will be there? So the files will be there. Okay, directory contains files. Directory contain files and the subdirectories also. And the subdirectories also, like sir, 1 minute, have a look once, sir. Here, so my system is ready. Okay, just here take a bit special care. My system is ready. Here what I'm trying to take here is just in the desktop there are several directories are there. Okay, now here just let me remove all this nonsense from the desktop. Okay, from the desktop. No, here just observe that. Okay, here file 1, file 2, like there are. Okay, so this is cd desktop, like yes, dir1 rm hyphen r dir star. Can you please remove all these nonsense, like? Okay, now observe that only these things are there. Okay, well, sir, now I have one small doubt is there, sir. Sir, this point is a very important point. Okay, just now I covered, right? In Linux, file extension is not important. Okay, I'm creating one file, sir. Okay, just observe a bit very carefully about this one, sir. Touch I'm creating. Okay, touch I'm taking. Touch is touch command can be used to create an empty file. Okay, sunny dot jpg I'm taking, sir. Touch, sir, sunny dot jpg, like I took one file. Sir, now to check, sir, which command I used here, can you please confirm? Okay, respond. Slowly we will discuss in detail, don't worry. Which command I use? Touch command. What is the purpose of touch command? Respond. What is the purpose of touch command? To create. Respond. Touch command to create an empty file. Remember, not to create a file, to create an empty file. Array, which data is there in this file? Nothing, sir. So ls hyphen l sunny dot jpg. Array, how much data is there? 0 bytes. Okay, 0 bytes. But what about this terminology? We will discuss in detail, don't worry, sir. It is 0 bytes. 0 bytes of data is there. Okay, it is an empty file. Now, to check a file type, which command we have to use? There is one command, file command is there. Remember this one, sir. What is the command name? Can you please spell out? File command is there to check a file type. File command is there, sir. Now I'm taking file sunny.jpg. I'm taking. Sir, simple, sir. So I can't decide the type of this file because it is an empty file. Are you getting? So I can't decide type of the file because it is an empty file. Is it clear, right? Was there ready? Observe carefully. It is telling that, Array, what is the type of this file? Simple, sir. We don't know the type because it is an empty. How we can decide? Okay, like it is telling. Now what I want to take is, okay, gedit sunny.jpg. I'm taking, sir. Okay, gedit. Just I open this file. Hello friends. Okay, hello friends. This is character data added in sunny.jpg. I took, sir. Now can you please tell, is it a text file or image file? Can you please respond? Is it a text file or image file? Is it text file or image file? Normal text, because I added normal text. Even though extension is sunny.jpg, but it contains character data. If you want cat sunny.jpg, all these commands I will discuss, don't worry. Cat command I'm using to display the content of jpg. What the answer? Sir, this is the content which is there inside sunny.jpg. Now observe a bit very carefully, right? Sir, now I'm asking file sunny.jpg. Hey, can you please spell out type of this file? Like now it is telling, hey, it is ASCII text file. Are you getting the point, right? You used already JPG, but it never going to consider, the Linux is never going to consider your .jpg extension. It is telling that this file contain, okay, text data. That's why it is ASCII text file. Clear for all of you? Any explanation is required? Just at this level. Okay, so it's a at this, it does the basis content, then it will definitely show more than as usual. Maybe Ravi Shankar, maybe because it has to analyze the content. So whenever you are asking file, then only it is going to analyze. Then only it is going to analyze. If you are not using, then it's not required. Okay, like so that's what this is. This is the beautiful nature whatever there. So in Linux, file extension is not important. Clear, right? I don't think you people are going to get any doubt about this one. Okay. In the future, never going to ask, sir, is the extension is the important or not? Okay. Extension is not important. Suppose I'm using MV sunny.jpg as sir sunny.durga I'm taking. Okay. Sunny.jpg as sunny.durga. Anyone, can you please guess what I'm doing? Ayo. Sunny.jpg, yeah, sunny.durga. What I'm doing, anyone, can you please guess? Don't worry, I didn't explain these commands, but slowly we are going to discuss in detail. Here, mv command we are using. What is the purpose of mv command? Yes, sir, here just we are renaming sunny.jpg with sunny.durga. Remember this one, rename. Now sunny.jpg no more, it is not available. Now it is renamed with sunny.durga. Let me show here my desktop. Here, are you seeing anywhere sunny.jpg? Can you please confirm? Are you seeing anywhere sunny.jpg? No. Here we have sunny.durga only. The reason is I renamed. Okay. Now, sir, what is the extension I used? Can you please tell what is the extension I used? Sunny dot. Respond. What is the extension I used? Sunny dot Durga. Durga extension. Now, what is the type of this file? Can you please tell? If I use a file sunny dot Durga. Can you please tell what is the extension of this file? What is the extension or what is the type of this file? Now, can you please tell what is the type of this file? Yes, ASCII text only. Are you getting extension? Even you are using .durga, but the type of this file is ASCII text only. Are you getting the point, right? So it's very clear for you. Extension is not important in Linux. Sir, for files, my Linux operating system never going to consider extension. So everyone, sir, have clear clarity about this. Not required to keep any explanation, right? Okay, that's all. Next, sir, even directories also treated as files only. Remember that, because in Linux, everything is treated as a file only. That's why including directories also. So in Windows, we can use the term folder terminology, but in Linux, we can use a directory terminology, right? Directory contains files and subdirectories. Okay, that's all. Next, there is one more thing is there. What is the third one? Is device files. What is the third? Third one is device files. Okay, like sir, this is a bit very important terminology. This is a bit very important terminology. What you people should aware clearly, right? Sir, what is the device files? Sir, this is, but in general, in our Windows operating system, we never going to worry that much about this. But here it is also important, sir. Sir, in Linux, everything is treated as a file, even devices also. Remember that. So in Linux, every device is represented as a file. Remember this one, sir. Represented as a file. Okay. So even devices also. Can you please tell devices means your terminal, RAM, motherboard, or otherwise, do you know motherboard, like your internal devices also simply treated as okay, keyboard, input device, keyboard, output device, terminal, like even devices also treated as a file. Okay. Next, by using this file, we can communicate with that data. By using this file, we can communicate with that device. Okay, with that device. Okay, yes, drivers, correct, Ashish Reddy, device drivers are there, right? Okay, by using this file we can communicate with that device. Remember sir, even devices also treated as files only. All device related files where it will be available inside the dev folder. Observe that a bit very carefully sir. Inside root directory, dev subfolder is there. Inside dev folder, inside dev folder, dev folder or dev directory, inside dev directory, all device related files will be there. All device related files will be there. Any explanation is required? Sir, here one small example, just for basic idea sake, let me cover so that you people can feel more comfortable, I'm sure. Can I go for that? A bit beyond our limit, but anyway, just to create basic idea. Can I go for that? Yes, here just observe device file. I will discuss. Okay. Sir, have you remembered? Sir, very most valuable point I want to talk here. Do you know everything is treated as a device? Even our terminal also is a device or not? Okay. Either terminal also is a device. This terminal also can be represented as a file. Okay, can be represented as a file. Terminal means our console. Terminal is also treated as a file only. By using this file we can communicate with that device. By using this file we can communicate with that terminal. Remember, right? Sir, now have a look once. Sir, this explanation is the most valuable, very important. Please take a bit special care. Sir, I can use the word, is it my terminal or not? Please confirm. Respond. Is it my terminal or not? Terminal means this one, our command prompt. Something like in Windows we can use the word command prompt. This is the terminal, sir. Okay, well, now so even this terminal is also treated as a file only. Sir, where is the corresponding file? Okay, how you can identify the corresponding file? There is one command is there, tty. What the command? Please type, each and every person, what the command? So tty. Okay, terminal related file. Okay, if I use this one, now observe that the file which representing this terminal is /dev/pts/0. Okay, inside the root dev is there, inside dev pts is there. Okay, inside pts 0, this file represents terminal. Okay, remember. Sir, can you please tell which command I used? Please confirm. Respond. Which command I used? Everyone, can you please respond? Yes, tty command. So can you please tell what is the file name related to my current terminal? Yes, Swarup, related to current terminal, what is the file? Can you please spell out? Yo, respond. Complete path I want. Complete path I want. Good, was there already? What about remaining people? I know how many people remembered. Can you please complete path I want? Yes. Okay, here just observe /dev/pts/0. Don't get confused, better to remember /dev/pts/0. Okay, this is the terminal related file which is available, right? Okay, well, sir, now in my system, can I open another terminal or not? Array, respond. Can I open another terminal or not? Yes. Why not? Yes, we can open another terminal. No problem at all. Yes, we can. Okay, now just let me try to open another new terminal. Okay, just I'm trying to open another terminal is also there with me, sir. Okay, now my question is, now observe a bit very carefully, sir. Okay, now my question is, what is the file representing this terminal? Array, there are total 2 terminals are there. What is the file representing this terminal? Okay, like tty I'm using. Now observe that /dev/pts/1 is the terminal we are getting. Okay, excellent, sir. Now here just observe that terminal 1 means this is the thing we are getting. This is the file. Next, terminal to the file is this is the file. This is the file. Now it's a very clear. Okay. So every device is treated as a file, even in our terminal also. For terminal related file is this one like. So now this line very important, sir. By using this file, we can communicate with that device. Sir, can you please explain a small example with respect to the communication? Like you may ask here, just observe that. Now, currently, I am in first terminal. Okay, listen carefully, sir. Currently, I am in first terminal. Like I'm there in the first terminal, right? Sir, now my question is here. Just observe that. Observe a bit very carefully, sir. Now I'm in the first terminal. Okay, like now here second terminal is there. In the first terminal, echo here just echo. I love Sunny. Like I'm taking, sir. Okay, just observe that. Sir, where it has to print? Can you please confirm? Echo means to print. To print. Where it has to print? Can you please tell? Array respond. Where it has to print? Okay, in the same terminal. In the same terminal. In the same terminal itself. I'm not using any other. Sir, what is the answer we are going to get is yes, I love Sunny. It is placing in the same terminal. Now, what I want to do is, oh, whatever output, can you please send this output to the second terminal? Second terminal, like, can you please send this output to the second terminal? Like, what I want to do is observe very carefully, right? Okay, echo, I love Sunny. Okay, echo, I love Sunny. Okay, here some symbol I'm using. What is the symbol? Can you please tell? What is the symbol? Okay, greater than. Pipe means Swarup. Pipe means vertical bar. This is the greater than symbol I'm using. Greater than symbol. This greater than symbol is called output redirection. Okay, we will discuss. It is a separate topic of 2 sessions topic. It is there. I will discuss in detail. Don't worry. Redirection. This output, can you please redirect it to second terminal? Sir, how you can communicate with the second terminal? By using the file. What is the file related to second terminal? Can you please confirm? I forgot. Respond each and every person. What is the second terminal file? Okay, /dev /pts/1. Are you getting? /dev /pts/1 is the second terminal related file. Just enter. If I enter this one, yes, I'm not seeing any output here because I send this output to the second terminal. Let me open the second terminal. Are you seeing? Am I getting I love you? I love Sunny or not? Observe a bit carefully, right? Okay, so your chatting applications, intranet chatting application, how they are going to communicate from one system to another system. This is the style. Okay, one terminal. Okay, one terminal is do you know, right? One terminal, how you can communicate, okay, with another terminal by using that device related is like, sir. Now here just observe that maybe clear I'm using. Okay, clear. What is the command I'm using? Array respond. What is the command I'm using? Clear command. Now this clear command don't do this operation on my system. Can you please do this operation on the second terminal? Redirect this activity /dev /pts/1. Okay. Now observe that. If I can consider this one, yes, here nothing is there because already cleared. Are you getting right? So now observe that every device is treated as a file. By using that file, we can communicate with that device. Yes. Are you feeling any difficulty to understand this one? Yes, friends. How observe? Hari, you are typing in one terminal, but action is happening in the other terminal. Okay. But action is because it is another person is communicating with other terminal. That's why there is no dollar prompt. Now, if you want to stop this communication, Control C. Okay. Now this is second second terminal, not in communication with the first terminal. Okay, clear, right? Was there already? That device is not there like it's going to tell. Okay, that device is not there. If you are trying to do that, device is not there like control C means just close the communication. Swarup. Okay, so now observe that usually in our labs, Linux labs in our academics, do you know, right? Here there are multiple terminals are there in our lab. Correct, right? There are multiple terminals are there. Okay, multiple terminals are there in our lab. Like I hope you people may be aware. All these things are connected with the LAN. Okay, in the same network will be there, sir. Suppose assume that this is your terminal 8. Assume that, sir, here terminal 13. Very cute lady is sitting on this terminal. Okay, from your class. Assume that. So in the lab, the people, you know, the students are a bit funny. They are doing this type of things also. Sir, here from is a terminal. What is going to do is just echo. Here, just observe that echo. Just I love you. Okay, like he is just redirected to terminal 13. Okay, assume that redirected to terminal 13. Then automatically this person just from his system is going to type. Automatically it will display on this terminal. So this lady suddenly is going to, this girl suddenly is going to get the shock. Array, from where this message is coming, like immediately what this person is going to do is just a clear. Okay, sir, 13. Okay, clear 13. Immediately, array, this lady identified and she is telling to someone else. Immediately it will be cleared. Are getting, immediately it will be cleared. Like in the colleges, college poragal, there are some students are there, right? Young, these people are going to play the games with these commands, man. This is what output redirection. Okay, from one terminal to another terminal. Remember. Are you getting the point, right? Yes, friends. Is it clear for all of you, right? So what is the meaning? So now observe that. So what is the meaning of device file? Everyone in the position to understand what is the meaning of device file. Okay, like so take a bit very special care about this one. So in Linux, everything is treated as a file. Okay, there are total 3 types of files are there: normal files or ordinary files. Okay, ordinary files. Okay, like next normal or ordinary files. Okay, these files contain some data, normal text or binary data, text data or binary data. Like next directory files, which can be used to represent directories. Device files can be used to represent devices. By using these files, we can communicate with that device. Clear, right? Okay, that's all. Yes, Swarup, you can initiate. You can initiate communication, no problem at all. Even the opposite person user control C. Okay, if you use IP for another system, that is what the communication with the remote servers. Okay, for that IP username, password, all the things must be required. If these people are in the same network, then only it is going to work. Rahul, getting the thing? Yeah, yes, correct. Okay, yeah, that's all. This is about how you can sir, how terminal, how you can have, sir, what are various types of files are there. Okay, like sir, here just observe that I want to open a terminal, I want to close a terminal. Sir, do you have any shortcut? Yes, Viraj, same as telnet, FTP, SMTP. Have you aware? Okay, such type of things only if it is a remote system. Yes, correct. Telnet is the old Indies concept, already gone. FTP also gone. SFTP also gone. Okay, SSH communication the people are always using. Yes, correct. Okay. So now observe a bit very carefully. Sir, here just observe that anyway at this stage not required, but anyway aware. I want to open terminal. Okay, what you have to take here is I want to open terminal. Here, if I can see show applications like here leftmost corner, here leftmost bottom corner, show applications. Now, if I use now here just observe the terminal. Okay, if I use a terminal, now you can open this terminal like okay. So this is one way. If you want to close, you can close like this. So there is another way is there. Control Alt T. Okay, just observe that. Control Alt T. Control Alt T. Control Alt T. T. Okay, like this is to open terminal in the Ubuntu. To open terminal in the Ubuntu. Control Alt T. You can use. Next, I want to close this terminal. I want to close this terminal. Then we require to use Control D. D. Observe that Control D. D. Okay, close the terminal. Okay, Control D, because we have to open the terminal, close the terminal multiple times. We have to do. Better to have shortcut commands to close the terminal. To close the terminal, sir, Control Alt T. Control Alt T. Control Alt T to open the terminal. Control D to close the terminal. Okay, just aware. Anyway, in detail, I will discuss in the next sessions. Don't worry, sir. Sir, that's all. This is about what are various types of files we have. Remember, right? Next, how to check file types. Okay, take a bit very special care, sir. Sir, you are telling directory file, you are telling device file, or otherwise normal or ordinary file. Like so, how to check file type? Okay, like how to check file type. Okay, this discussion is again most important. Can you please take a bit very special care about this one? I open the terminal. Okay, just I open the terminal, just and after that here increase the font. Now the important point here is take very special care about this one. Sir, you know, here just observe that, observe a bit carefully. Yes, I'm taking. Yes, I'm taking. Sir, are you seeing? Are you seeing? So multiple colors are there. Multiple colors are there, sir. It is just a white color. Next, this is the blue color. This is the blue color. This is the green color. Green color is there. Okay, like sir, just it is the red color. Red color like we have. Multiple colors are there. Correct, right? Yes, friends. Yes, are you seeing multiple colors or not? Okay. So blue color files represents. Anyone, can you please just spell out? Sir, in Ubuntu. Okay, in Ubuntu, blue color files represents. Blue color files represents what? Anyone? Represents directories. Remember that blue color files represent directories, and all remaining are considered as ordinary files. Okay, ordinary files. Assume. Next, even in the ordinary file, white colors are normal text files, green colors are executable files. These type of things are link files. Okay, like we have some concept is there. Don't worry, sir. Okay, like but here the problem is these color conventions applicable only for Ubuntu. If you change your flavor, then there is no guarantee same color combinations they are going to use in other flavors. Are you getting the problem right? Yes, friends. Vinod. Now, so Vinod is asking, is it the same for all flavors? No. So it is flavor to flavor, the color combinations are going to be varied. That's why these color conventions are not recommended to depend. It's not recommended to depends on these color conventions to decide whether it is the directory or whether it is the file. Better, so because these color conventions are varied from flavor to flavor, then how you can handle what is the way, sir? So we have to use, observe very carefully, right? We have to use ls command with the hyphen L option. Can you please spell out which command we require to use? No, Ashish Reddy. So it is the Linux operating system is implemented in that style. It is nowhere related to the security. Okay, sir, here we have to use which command, sir? ls command with the hyphen L option. Remember a bit very carefully about this one, sir. Sir, I want to check file type. I want to check the file type. What is the way how you can do that? Sir, we require to use which command? ls command with the hyphen L option. Remember a bit very carefully about this one, sir. So how you can do that? What is the way? Sir, here ls hyphen L. Sir, observe that. What is the command name? I respond. What is the command name? I will discuss in detail. Don't worry at all. ls is the command name is ls. Listing. ls is the command. Which option I'm using? Which option I'm using? Hyphen L option I'm using, sir. Okay. Now observe that. Okay. This is the answer we are getting. Wow. Wonderful, sir. If I use this command, what is the answer by default we are getting is this is the answer. We will discuss in detail, Ashok. Hyphen L means long listing. Hyphen L means long listing. Okay. Anyway, we will discuss in detail. Whenever I use ls-l command, this is the thing we are getting. Okay. Now my question is, forget about, sir, all the things. You are don't worry at all for the remaining part. Okay. Forget about all the things, right? So you have to concentrate only on first character. Okay. Only on first character. Can you please tell in the first character which things you are seeing? Yes, friends. In the first character, which things, different things, what you are observing? Only first character. Hyphen you are seeing. Are you seeing any other symbol other than hyphen? Other than hyphen, are you seeing any other symbol? Yes, we are seeing some other symbols like, sir, now take very special care. Hyphen means it is a normal file or ordinary file. Remember that, sir. It is the normal file or ordinary file. Next, D means directory file. D means what? Directory file. Directory file. L means link file. L means what? Link file. Remember that. L means link file. The first character represents the type of the file. So file2.txt internally pointing to file1.txt. Link we will discuss in detail. Don't worry much about at this stage. Link files is the concept. Minimum one complete session we have to spend on that. Okay, file2.txt internally pointing to file1.txt. It is called link file. Okay, like so if you want to check file type, array, is it normal file, is it a dictionary, is it a directory file, is it a directory file or link file, like how you can decide? We have to use ls-l command, sir. Multiple times we are going to use this command. Now the first character, now observe that the first character represents the first character represents the type of file. The first character represents the type of the file. Remember, right? Okay, sir, can you please tell D means what is the D? Please respond. What is the meaning of D? What is the meaning of D? D, sir. D means what? Directory file. Okay, D means a directory file. Next, hyphen, just simple hyphen. Hyphen means what is the meaning of hyphen? Hyphen symbol, can you please spell out? Array, what is the meaning of hyphen symbol? Yes, friends. One minute, 1 minute. Yeah, yeah. Can you please cross check? Is it visible, right? Yes, friends. Now you can see the screen, right? Okay. Now take a bit very special care about this one. Okay. Here just observe that iPhone means hello. Friends, can you please confirm? Is it audible, visible? Yeah. Here just observe that. Okay. iPhone symbol means okay. This iPhone symbol means okay. Now take very special care. It is ordinary file. It is ordinary file. It may be binary file. It may be normal text file. It is ordinary file. Remember, right? Next, sir, here, do you know L? L somewhere we saw. What is the meaning of L? Please confirm. What is the meaning? Meaning of L, sir? Link file. Regarding what is the meaning of L? L means what? Link file. Remember a bit very carefully, right? Not redirection. Link file, Chaitanya. Redirection is the different link file. Okay, like. Sir, now sometimes the first character may be C, maybe B, or maybe yes. Regarding sometimes first character may be C, maybe B, or maybe yes. Maybe yes. Okay, like. Sir, here C means character special file. C means character special file. Okay, anyway, don't worry about this. Most of the times admins are going to use these files. Okay, next B means block special file. Block special file. Yes means socket file. Network related things, socket file. Okay, like so. How to check? Is it normal file or is it directory file? Is it link file? Like how to check a file type? Very simple, sir. By using which command we require to use? ls-l command. Are you getting right? Sir, what is the command we require to use? ls-l command we require to use. Remember a bit carefully, right? In the D means the first character represents the type of the file. Okay, D means directory file, hyphen means ordinary file, L means link file like, sir, what about remaining, sir? Character special file, block special file, next and after that socket special file. But these things are, do you know, these are things CBS mostly used by super user, root user. Most of the times we never going to use these things. Just for your awareness, I'm providing this terminology. Clear, right? Are you feeling any difficulty to understand? Okay. So these are the things what you people should be aware. So up to this, what we covered, sir. Okay, very simple Linux file system. How many types of files are there in our system? There are in Linux, everything is treated as a file. There are three types of files are there: normal files, directory files, and the device files. Next, how to check a file type? In Ubuntu, we have color combinations, but don't depends on color combinations, because these color combinations are varied from system to system. That's why don't depends on color combinations, right? Okay, varied from flavor to flavor. So better to use ls-l command. Sir, ls means listing, -l means long listing. Remember this one, sir. -l means long listing. Okay, please make sure the first character, D means a directory file, hyphen means ordinary file, L means a link file. Like, sir, what about these are things? Character special file, block special file, socket file. These are things mostly used by root user. Generally, we never want to use these things. Okay, that's all. Sir, up to this, any doubt? Can you please confirm so that I will go to the next level? Okay, clear, right? Okay, so just what I'm trying to take, just can you please just I will give some time break, please give. So please take 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes break, and then re-log in again. Okay, please take 5 to 10 minutes break.